Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW such as guys 3 Series, 4 Series, 5 or even X1 and X3 guys, you may experiencing a common oil leak guys from the oil pan. This is on the, I'm talking about a 4-cylinder gasoline engine, also known as N20, N26 engine guys. This is the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine. Many of you ask me, okay, my oil pan is leaking and my oil drain plug is leaking. We'll explain why now guys. And what can cause that. Very simple fix, but many of you do not know about that, and you don't want to guys risk leaking your oil out because that's expensive engine. If you drive it without oil, okay, you ruin it guys. You're going to spend $5,000 to $10,000 to fix and replace your engine. Now, quick introduction guys, that same engine has been used in all these vehicles that I mentioned. It's been used in BMW 3, 4 Series, 5 Series, X1, X3 as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, including this one here guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So all we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can provide those free videos to you. Another thing guys, all the tools and parts that we use in our videos, including what we'll be showing you today guys, you can find the links in the description of the video below. We're putting the engine together guys, finally got the parts that was causing the oil leak on our engine, and as you can see we put a timing chain, we're putting it all together, and that timing chain failed at only 87,000 miles. So something I want to tell you guys, check out the timing chain replacement video and which vehicles are affected by the timing chain failure. Certain years are affected guys, and it can prematurely go out guys and cause damage to the engine that will be that will cause your engine to be rebuilt or replaced guys. So we just finished making the video and we put the car together. Now we're underneath guys, and I want to show you guys okay what caused that leak now. So we guys okay got the car and it was dripping oil. Okay, dripping oil a little bit at a time, but it was making a big puddle, and over time you had to add oil. This is guys your oil drain plug. This is a plastic oil drain plug. Okay, that thing right here, okay, on the oil drain plug you have one O-ring. Sometimes it will get wore out, sometimes it will guys, okay, that oil drain plug will actually, you can see the O-ring will get really hard, it will break and it will cause leaks. Other times guys, that, okay, that drain plug gets stuck guys, okay, it gets stuck on the oil pan, and when you take it for somebody to change your engine oil guys, what will happen, okay, they will either not notice that it's stuck on the oil pan, they will try to push the plug and get it tight, and as a result that O-ring, ours was on the inside of the oil pan, all the way on the inside of the oil pan. So what we are going to do, okay, I'm going to get the tool now to remove it guys. Okay, give me a second now. Okay, this is a very tight fit. Why? Because whoever guys had it, they even messed up okay the drain plug on it. So I need to go ahead and tap on it, but this is plastic oil pan, so if you crack it guys, you're done. And that's why you have to be extremely careful. Okay, people just get them too tight. Now the moment okay you remove that oil drain plug, your oil will leak out. And be careful not to burn yourself. Always use eye protection, all that stuff. Have a bucket or something to collect it, because otherwise guys it will be a big mess. Ours is already pre-drained, and I'll go ahead, remove it, and show you guys okay what it looks like. So I got it in guys. We're taking it off now. And you can see guys, we don't have O-ring here. That is causing the leak. Either you don't have an O-ring was pushed in, or the O-ring is broken. So all we have to do now, go ahead and install the new one guys. So another thing now guys, okay, you can see underneath it says 8, okay, let me focus, 8 Newton meters guys, maximum torque 8 Newton meters. Otherwise, if you strip the thread on your oil pan, you have to replace the oil pan. We have the video on the channel. We have the small torque wrench, okay, right here guys, so we can do that in Newton meters. Okay, this one starts at 2.2 and it goes all the way to 22. So let's get it loose. Okay, it's right here, and just keep getting it tight, okay, until we reach 8. So right now, okay, this is 7, 7.38 right there. This is a click type wrench, so when we get it tight, guys, okay, when we get it tight, you'll hear that click from the wrench and you need to stop immediately. It's recommended, guys, to lubricate the O-ring when you install it, so we go underneath now. Okay, I'm going to come from here, so we have a person going underneath to get it tight now, because otherwise it's impossible for me, okay, to do it with holding the camera and getting it tight. So okay, perfect, like that. And now, guys, okay, right here, listen about that click from the torque wrench. Okay, I want you to listen for the click, so give me a second there. That's it, guys, that's it. Okay, listen. Okay, that's the click right there. So that should definitely, guys, take care of your oil pan drain port leak. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.